Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is mid-monthly energy check-in for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of October 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy for Sagittarius people for the rest of the month of 2025 October is, let's see. We have Seven of Swords, the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords, and sorry. We have the Seven of Swords, the High Priestess, and the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Swords. So you are running behind some kind of truth. It's like no matter what, you're having this energy of letting some kind of truth out at any cost. So the energy that you might not be aware of is right now you are on the detective mode. Right now you are in this energy of, okay, let me keep a safe distance from something or someone and watch them from a distance and see what happens next. So you are definitely trying to understand something or someone from a distance because all you want is the truth to come out. On a conscious level, we have the Seven of Swords, the High Priestess, and the King of Swords. There is something going on behind your back that you might not be fully aware of, but there is a sense of something is off, something is not good, or something or someone is not being honest with me. There is something that needs to be sorted, that needs to be clear as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. You want the truth to come out, and you want the ultimate truth to come out in a particular situation. So it's all about it. It can be your truth that you might be hiding from everybody from a very long time, and now you are feeling like you should reveal this truth to everyone and be at peace, because it's kind of making you feel restless, or you're not feeling peace about the situation. Or it could be related to something else or someone else where you might not totally know what's going on, but you can sense it and you just want the truth to come out properly and honestly. Okay. So you want to go to the depth of this situation, you want answers, you want clarity, and you want the ultimate truth. Okay. That's the overall energy for you guys for this month, for the rest of this month. So as you know, this is not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Let's see what was happening in the recent past for you guys, Cappies. World card. There was a completion of a cycle. There was something that was coming to an end, coming to a close. Maybe but some kind of unfinished business was there, and you guys were not able to close that chapter properly, even if you were trying to. So there was some kind of unfinished business that you guys were dealing with in the recent past, even though a chapter was closed or about to get closed. Currently, we have the King of Cups. So you are trying your best to be as much compassionate, humble, and grounded in a particular direction, and emotionally mature, emotionally very sorted. So you're trying to see things from the lens of compassion and emotional maturity. Okay. By the end of this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles. You guys are going to be very focused on being compassionate, practical, and sorted. As compassionate and as practical, as sorted as you can, and being in a very stable kind of energy. There are very high chances of you guys trying to fix a situation that went downhill. It can be any kind of situation, work related, health related, connection with your parents, connection with a particular person. Now let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture here, Cappies. I just love these oversized clothes. They make me feel very comfortable. Love them. The Gen Z trend for this thing, Gen Z people, I love you guys. Let's clarify the world in the recent past. We have the Ten of Wands in reverse, the Sun card, and the Lovers. Okay, so you guys were trying to let go of a very burdensome and heavy kind of energy and bring in all the happiness of the universe in a particular connection. in a particular like a relationship, connection, bonding, friendship. It can be a project work, teamwork, something that you were very very excited and happy about was there, and it was not working out, but you guys like somehow managed to keep that going. And at some point of time you guys were able to drop all the burdensome and heavy energies and make things go in a smoother way. Okay. Okay, that's good. Then what's the problem? Currently we have the King of Cups. Let's see what we have, Sagittarius. Three of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. You're trying your best for a collaboration, partnership, maybe coming together or coming back together kind of a deal to work out in a beautiful way so that you guys can take this collaboration or partnership forward and create a very beautiful, peaceful kind of energy. So, I think this is the same situation. This is not the same situation that you were dealing with in the past. There was a choice or decision that you guys had to make between two people, two energies, or between you yourself and another person, another energy. Now you are working on collaborations, partnerships, again coming together, coming back together, putting in the effort and energy from your side with all the emotional maturity of the universe and making it go to the smoother plane of your life, smoother place of your life, moving on towards calmer water. And you're using everything that's stable, that's mature, that's grounded from your side in order to make a situation go in a positive way. Okay, so there is some kind of, and or you might be dealing with multiple people, multiple projects, multiple situations, multiple things at the same time, and you're trying to figure out how to balance them all out and create a smooth place to keep things going in a positive way. By the end of by the end of this month we have Queen of Pentacles. Let's clarify this. We have the Four of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Moon card. So you are heading towards some kind of stability. It can be stability related to your relationship area, stability or commitment. It can be related to your job or career area. It can be related to your health area. You're moving forward with a lot of excitement, knowing your goal is to have a very stable kind of energy, whatever it is, like your health, your career, your relationship. So you are taking the first step or you're taking the initiative in a particular direction to create something long term, to create something that's going to be there maybe for the rest of your life. But when you are doing that, when you're taking the steps, there is a lot of fear that is going to actually stop you from time to time in going in that direction and making things happen. It doesn't mean that you will not be able to achieve anything, you will not be able to create that stability for yourself. What it simply means is that fear is going to creep in, and that fear is going to create illusions for you that this is not the right track, this is not the right path, you are going in the wrong direction, this is not the right way. All kind of insecurities, illusions and confusions are going to come up, show up, and they are going to create lot of uh, confusions for you, fears for you. What if I fail? What if this is not the right direction? A lot of what ifs are going to come in your mind, and for some reason you have this tendency right now to listen to your mind, because the moon is a major arcana. So you might listen to your mind too much and you will stop going in a direction where you are super excited to go. Again, it doesn't mean that you are not going to go there or you don't deserve this everything. But if you're going to listen to your mind and if you're not going to take the steps that are important, you will not be able to go in that direction, start that initiative. You have to face the fear head on, Sagittarius, in order to achieve something that you really 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 want in your life. That's the deal here. Feeding the fear is not going to give you anything in return. If you're going to face the fear, see, all of us have at some point of time, all of us have some kind of fears and insecurities in our lives that we guys have to deal with. The best thing here is to, like, we call those energies courageous, who knows that there are lots of fears, insecurities, that are creeping in, but still they choose to keep going. That you have to do in order to achieve the goal of yours. Goal of stability. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what we have as a guidance for you guys for this month. We have Four of Cups. Don't get disheartened, or don't get so disappointed when things are not going to go exactly the way you want them to go. There will be obstacles and challenges on the path, on the way, but the remedy, the guidance here is to keep going. That's a different chapter. If you lose interest, if you feel like, no, this is not something I want to have, I want to choose something else or someone else, or I want to choose another path, that is a different thing. If you're going to feel like this is not what I want, or this is not how I want it, then it's a different thing. But if you are disheartened, or if you are going to get super confused because you feel like the fear is too big, or I will not be able to do that, or you're having negative energies, negative spiral going on, then you don't have to worry about it. Just keep going, because it's just a phase. The moment you are going to affirm that whatever is going to happen, I'm going to face it with courage, you will be able to find the way, okay, back to your goal. It's all about facing it with courage. That's it. Okay, let's see. Let me answer one of your questions related to any area of your life for this month. Okay, you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 20 seconds, and your time starts now. One more shuffle. So the answer to your question is reconsider. Okay. Before going somewhere with something or someone blindly, take a step back and understand the action, the consequences of your actions, the plus and minus of your actions, of your decisions, and then move forward accordingly. Okay. You don't have to jump into anything just like that. Don't be so quick in going towards something or someone. Take your time and reconsider the action, then move forward. Okay, that's the answer. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.